I've been sent this micro arcade machine thing. This was very kindly sent over to me by Neil. And Neil says, I bought this stupid arcade game a few years ago. After seeing it on your channel, I thought I'd stick some batteries in and have a go. To my horror, though, it won't turn on, which is also odd as it was hardly used. I thought if it can be fixed and go in your collection. Heads up, I think it's either a faulty switch, battery terminal, capacitor, diode, filter, chip, or screen. Should be easy. Yes, it should. So many thanks to Neil for sending this in to me. I have worked on something similar in the past. In fact, I think it's behind me. I think it's up there. So, anyway, back to this one. Let's pop some batteries in it and see what it's doing. There we go. Seamless as ever. What isn't seamless is I can't get it back on. There we go. Right. Oh, it's already on. On. And it does absolutely nothing. Let's just double check. We've got 4.5 volts on the battery terminals. Multimeter in voltage DC. Right, let's see what we've got. 4.7 volts. And the battery terminals are lovely and clean, so it's not a problem with corrosion or anything like that. So I think we're going to have to take this thing apart. And if I remember rightly, this sticker needs to come off because we've got a seam here which you can just about make out, I think. So we've got some screws on the back, and then I'm going to have to heat this up with the hot air gun and try and peel it back. Let's go.
It's like an arcade but micro. I'm like a rapper but macho. For your TV, is this another botch? Probably yes, it goes back to squatch. Lee Ben's getting in here is hard. Don't you dare rhyme back with Dr. Princess Wizard. Too like Cooey geniuses in obscene to take her head to this Anthony Dean. Signal 4, is it not absurd? Hey, but it's working. Tim Spendenberg. Moving on to the HSG, but not before. Giving much love to Christopher Shore. Well, here they are, the hand grenades. John Boucher, Dennis Bourne, Kip Higgs, Frosty Cool Slug, James Fryman Flux, Surrogate Sample, Andy Banks. Heart Attack Beat, Lucas Ozzy B, Ungolian, Larry W, Get the Money, Steve Stefanicus, Sykes, Michael Biggie, Jonathan Harden, Iconics, Kid V. Hey, we're nearly in, finally, just have to thank the Breezy. Listen with the guy, not from Japan, it's Pato Cake, and he's the baker's man. Peace.
There we go, we're in. Right, let's just put these batteries back in. Just make sure that we're getting the voltage on the other side. So again, we should have the 4.7 volts here, or whatever it was. Which we do. And then they run off to this board here. So let's just double check we've got them on the board. Yes, we do. Let's check that this switch is working. Multimeter and continuity. So they're in contact now. Those two are not. But then when we switch it, they're still in contact. That switch is not doing anything. So that should mean that it's always on, right? Let's check it directly on the board. So those two, no. They're not in contact with each other. Switch it. And they're still not in contact with each other. What is going on? So they're not here. But they are there. Hey? So is it just one of these wires that's failed? Let's just do continuity from that one to that one. Yeah, that's good. And from that one to that one is not good. It is good. Oh, I'm confused. Not for the first time. Let's just try it on ohms. 0 ohms. Oh, but when we switch the leads round... So with the red probe on the middle one, it's 0 ohms. If we switch the leads round and put the black probe on the middle one, it's OL. Why is it doing that? I wonder if I bridge these two contacts here, will that make it come on? Let's try it. There we go. You probably heard it. It's working. So, I think it may be the switch then, but I don't understand what's going on with the switch. How do we get that out? Just like that. Right, there is a little bit of rust on that switch. So let's desolder these two wires, and then if I connect those two wires together, again, it should come on, right? Let's do that. I'll see if I can fix that. Right, let's put these two wires together. Yeah, there we go. So it is a switch problem. Right, and it does have rust on it. So let's see if we can get into this. Let's get it under the microscope and see if we can figure out what's going on. Right, let's see if we can get into this. Is that corrosion there? On the middle one? Right, well let's just check that, see if we've got continuity throughout the whole of that little bar thing there. Altimeter and continuity. Not everywhere. No, it's not there now. It is there. Okay, so that's going to need a clean, a bit of a scrub, I think, with a grinding pen was probably a good shout. Let's take that out. Need to be careful not to lose the spring. And let's also just check that there. No, no continuity there at all. So that's going to need a good scrub as well. Let's check that one. Also no. And that one. A little bit, but yeah, but not good enough. Let's give it a darn good clean. I'm going to be using this little grinding pen tool thing. And I'm going to clean it using some isopropyl alcohol that's 99.9% pure.
Ooh, pretty hot.
Get off. This hair is trolling me. Here we go. Iron pen got stuck in the blue tack. Right, let's just check we've got continuity on that now. Yep, everywhere. And let's check the rest of the switch. Yep. Yep. And yes. Just try and put this bar back in. Right. Nice. 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 Right, let's just check this with continuity. So in that position, it should be those two. Yep, and not these two, which it's not. Let's flip the switch. And now those two should not be in contact, which they're not, and these two should, which they are. Let's solder it back in, see if it works. Right, there's little like O-ring type things, or circlips type things, something type things that were holding this in, and they've gone very brittle, so I'm just going to get a little bit of hot snot just to hold that in place. Right, that's better. Right, let's see if it works now. Oh yes! Let's do arcade. Whack-a-mole? Okay, this... Oh! Gotcha! Are they just going to be in those two places? Because that's quite easy. Oh, no, it's changed. Oh, what was that one? No, there's two! Stupid mole. Mole.
God rejected me, c'est la vie. Life is cruel, treat you unfairly. Even so, a God there must be. Mini me, you complete. Just the two